Umuntu ongaboni ukuthi liyabhubha, izithwalo ngapha, abafundisi bamanga ngapha, inkohlakalo egcwele umhlaba wonke, i-gender based violence esixakile, sixakene nento. Kahle kahle le gender based violence egcwele umhlaba wonke, it's not just a mere gender based violence. Izithwalo lezi ezithe chithi umhlaba wonke ezibulala ilizwe. Hayi ngithi angisikele jikazi ngane zakwethu, I'm not going to dwell much on this one because i-video bakhona bebeyicirculateisa khona kwamanye ama-channel wama-WhatsApp whereby i-video ibibuka ngithi angifuni ngisho nokuyobona ngoba ngiyazazi ukuthi nginenhliziyo encane and I'm hypersensitive entweni, more especially entweni ethinta either umuntu wesifazane or ingane. Nangu udoti eceleni kwami. Nangu udoti eceleni kwami, umfundisi. A whole pastor. Can you imagine i-character yomfundisi when you think of umfundisi? Ucabanga ngomuntu othanda abantu, ophilela inkosi, ophilisa abantu, you think of everything that is good because umholi lo muntu, not just umholi, uhlonishwa umphakathi wonke. Ahlonishwe ibandla lelaliholayo, ahlonishwe abanye abasezingeni elifana nelakhe. But into enjeni ithiwani, this guy, 58-year-old man, udlwengula ingane ena 12 years, kuthiwa ingane uyidlwengule waze kwakhipha kwaphuma izibindi ngaphakathi, kwaphuma amathumbu, yakaka ingane kwaphuma igazi, kwenzeka yonke into ongayicabanga. And kuthiwa ubanjwe umfazi wakhe. Lalela. Uma ukuthi awuyizwanga le ndaba, kuthiwa ubanjwe umfazi wakhe umbambe uwenza lo mkhuba right inside phakathi esontweni. OwaseDobsonville lo sathane lo sathane onepipo ongalazi ukuthi lokwenzani. OwaseDobsonville. Kuthiwa nje umfazi, the way she was so shocked, uvele wathi nje ngiyakurekhoda, wathi nje kodwa wenzani, wathatha ifoni wami recorder. Kuthiwa-ke i-video-ke leyo iyaveza nokuveza ukuthi ebephendula ngesikhathi ebhizi enza lokhu kubola lokhu, umfazi emrekhoda emtshela ukuthi ngiyakurekhoda because abantu ngeke bangikholelwe mangitshela ukuthi wena owenze lento le, or wena ngikubambe wenza ukuthi, ngeke bangikholelwe, ngiyakurekhoda. Kuthiwa wathi nje uyeke ukumosha isikhathi sami wena, yekuhlukana nefoni. Kuthiwa nje he was so chilled engabethelwa na udo ngento ayenzayo. Lo baba benzani ngempela? Out of all abantwana who goes missing day in day out, sifune kanti umntwana wanukubezwa kwamba umgodi wagcitshwa somewhere so abamathamba mhlophe. I am sure ukuthi lo mfundisi njalo lo mntwana emnukuzibezela phakathi endlini yesonto ebezogumba umgodi khona lapho amgqibelo mntwana and ebethwala ngaye, because you cannot tell me ukuthi a 50-something-year-old man ungavele uhlala ube nemizwa into ekuhlaza ceke ingane na 11 12 even ngisho 15 years. Ubonani? Laze labola ilizwe. Abafundisi baze bakhohlakala. Mina mangikutshela today, I don't go to church. I'm a very prayerful person. And when I was at church, when I was still attending church, ngilo muntu lo othi mase bandleni abonakala ukuthi khona I serve in all different forms and in all ways I know how. But I stopped going to church. Ngelinye ilanga ngiyonixoxela ukuthi ngayekelani ngesontweni. And I don't see myself anytime soon ngisangana ngihambe ngiphuma ngene esontweni mina ngithi ngiyokhonza, because ayikho inhlobo yokubola ongayithola emabandleni these days. Abantu abahlebayo basemabandleni, abantu abahleka, abantu abahluphekile basemabandleni, abantu who cannot support you at the time you need them the most basemabandleni, abantu ababulalayo, ababolile, abafebayo, abenza yonke inhlobo ongayicabanga yento bathola emabandleni. So siphepha kephi? Where do we run to for safety? Because bandla. if kuwukuthi unenhliziyo ekwazi ukumela ukubona into ebuhlungu, ungayifuna le video, ikhona in some other channels, in some WhatsApp channels, bakhona abantu abayifakile kuma-WhatsApp channels wabo. Mina ngithe nje cha ngeke ngize ngikwazi because ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke ngilale ngoba abayibonile, but you cannot even eat after seeing it the way bekungakhona. Bengazi ukuthi ingane ibihleshulwa isilwane esithile sasendle ini. Kuthiwa ingane ibindlevundlevu kuzimbobo kuputshuke ngisho amathumbu, kuputshuke ngisho izibindi, into zangaphakathi. Guys, kwenzakalani? Kwenzakalani guys? And khona manje kuthiwa umphakathi waseDobsonville uwotha ubomvu ngoba kuthiwa apply ibail, kwathiwa no, not here. Uzophuma uzoya kumuphi umhlaba ngoba la eDobsonville asamfuni. Big up to mama umfundisi ngoba kusho ukuthi noma umfundisi inkulu inkohlakalo nokubekezela nokuhlukumezeka asek-enjorile kulo mshado wakhe obolile nalo mfundisi. Shuthi mningi imkhuba asekayibonile this time, wathi cha ngeke ngiyifihleke le umphakathi awuyibone. Mhlambe naye it's the way yokuphuma osizini. Aseliphile for iminyaka ethi ushade nenceku kanti inceku mefuthi inceku yokubola. Ulafe lihle kakhulu. Sho. Utrende ngokubola. Ube uyi-public figure, abantu bekuhlonipha. And I am definitely sure ukuba there was no video eyenziwe obufakazi obuqanda ikhanda. Abantu bebandla lakhe bebezomlwela baze babebomvu. Futhi bekuzobe kungabafazi abebegijima phambili bethwele ama-placards bethi ubaba umfundisi akanacala. Yiba bebezobe bemkhulumela. Yeyi ngoba hayi ngeke guys. Hayi ukhuleke ungaqedi uma ngabe umzali uyikhulekela ingane yakho, uyibiyela ingane yakho, uyivikela ingane yakho ngoba I'm sure lengane ikuthema igijima ibizwa umfundisi eyibizele esontweni. Ayizange isole ngisho ukusola waphela ingane ziyafundiswa ngisho ezikoleni manje ukuthi be careful, ungathathi ukuthi, ungathathi imali, ungathatha ama-sweet nayo yonke lo. Ingane ayizange ize icabanga ukuthi umfundisi ungibizela ukuzongilimaza. Kwabolezweni guys. Hayi